Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a queen bee makeup tutorial. So keep on watching and let's go! Start by applying a foundation all over your face and neck. I'm using Real Techniques brush in 200 to blend all the foundation all over my face. Next I'm gonna highlight and contour my face. First, I'm gonna apply highlighter under my eye area, onto my nose bridge, forehead, my chin, and smile line. I'm using Real Techniques 300 to blend all the harsh lines. Apply contour stick onto the side of your face, onto each sides of your nose bridge, and forehead lines. Next, I'm gonna be using Real Techniques sponge to blend all the harsh lines. Then onto each sides of my nose, I'm using Real Techniques 300. Next, I'm gonna apply translucent powder onto the area that tends to crease. Then I'm gonna brush it off with Real Techniques 402. Now let's move on to the eyes. Fill in the eyes with the shade orange and I'm just gonna wing it that out. With the shade orange, I'm gonna blend that over the top and really deepen it out the color. I'm gonna apply a concealer on top of my eyelid to create a crease. Then I'm gonna apply the shade yellow on top of the crease. Then with the shade orange, I'm just gonna blend it out. Next, I'm gonna apply the shade orange on the outer corner of my lower lash line and the shade yellow on the inner corner of my lower lash line. Now let's draw eyeliner. Create a thin line from the outer corner, then extend the line from the tail to the lash line and fill in the gap. Next, I'm gonna apply glitter on top of the eyelid or inside the crease. So now we're going to draw the honey drip using a concealer. This is actually a foundation, but I often use this as a concealer, so yeah. So now I'm just gonna draw the outer line first. Then I'm just gonna fill it with a concealer. Now I'm gonna fill it with the shade yellow. Next, I'm gonna deepen it out the color with the shade orange. I'm just gonna blend onto the area that I want it to be more deep, and I'm just gonna pat it over the top of the yellow color. Next, with the shade brown, I'm gonna create a shadow. Next, with the face paint, I'm gonna add a thin line so it looks like it's shiny and more like a pop art. Now with the face paint, we're going to make the bee. First, with the shade black, I'm gonna create the body. Then I'm gonna fill it with a small brush. Next, I'm gonna fill the empty space with the shade yellow. Now I'm gonna create the wings, legs, and arms with the white shade. Now I'm gonna draw the actual arms and legs with the shade black. Next, I'm gonna fill the empty space of the wings with the white shade. Next, I'm gonna create a shadow with the shade brown. Then I'm gonna add glitter on top of the wings just to make it look more shiny. Next, let's move on to the lips. Apply nude pink lipstick onto your lips and press together until the color blend naturally. Next, apply red brick lipstick onto the inner parts of your lips. Now we're going to draw the honey drip onto the lips using a concealer. Next, I'm gonna fill it with the shade yellow. Then I'm gonna deepen it out the color with the shade orange and I'm gonna blend onto the area that I want it to be more deep. Next, I'm gonna create a thin line so it looks more shiny and more like a pop-up. So the lashes that I'm gonna be using today are A-Glow lashes in G135. Place the falsies onto the center of your eye, then gently press down the lashes. And then I'm just gonna apply more lashes onto the lower lash line. And I'm gonna use artificial flower for a prop. And that's the whole look, everyone! Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoy watching my video, please give a thumbs up. If you guys want to watch more of my videos or to check out my social media, please click right here. See you guys next time.